dalawa mag-aaway, as in super, hindi nag-uusap, galit na galit daw. Pero nung nagpa-practice si Anne mag-drive, si Sam, lingon na gano'n. I said, the clutch. Bulong ng bulong, kala mo parang gustong lumapit at tumulong. Nung meron namang sakit si Sam, hindi sila nag-uusap sa loob ng car. Tapos gumaganon si Sam, kita ko si Anne na nakatingin na parang gusto na siyang ano, tapos are you okay? Tapos parang pipigilan niya si Lily, ganyan. So kita-kita ko naman na parang, ay nako, sandali lang tumawag na to. Hinahayaan ko na lang, parang I just let it, let it pass. Kasi nga, pag mainit pa yung ulo, huwag munang pag-usapin. And then, eventually, sila rin naman yung mag-uusap or may mangyayari. And things will just, work out. Yan talaga sila eh.
So, may feelings ba din ba na, pinigilan?
Pinigilan? Silang dalawa? Kasi I think the two of them, they will always remain special. Parang special talaga sila sa isa't isa. It's undeniable eh. I mean, we can see naman how they are now. Kung hindi naman special yan, they won't be like this. It's just that, I think alam na nila kung ano yung mga mistakes nila before. And that now, parang, they're taking it day by day. Na parang it's better that, it's good that things are okay now, it's peaceful. And that they're getting to know each other better as friends. I mean, you'll never know kasi what the future has in store for them eh. But I think it's a fact that they are special to each other because it's undeniable. I mean, the chemistry is there, you can tell naman eh. Am I right?
So, last question ko, since nagkasama ulit kayo, may na-develop din ba ulit or may bumalik bang feelings or may mangyayari pa bang balikan mo sakali? Yung totoo. Yung totoo.
Well, if you're asking kung nagkabalikan na kami, we're not together. But like we said, we're taking things day by day. We're enjoying the time together. We started on a clean slate. Ano po?
So, may chance ba? Ano ba, Sam?
Well, my chance naman. And like I've already said and I've admitted na siya yung deepest love ko. I mean, tagal ng relationship namin from maging sino ka man. And that was 4 years ago na yan. So, talagang marami kaming pinagdaan yan.
With 4 years of history, na hindi mo talaga, never naman kami umaamin or nagbibigay ng hindi kami super open book when it comes to that. And siguro that's how we'd like to keep it. Kasi nagkaroon din ng time na masyado naging open and it caused a lot of mess between us. So ngayon, I think it's safe to say na kung ano meron kami, we'll keep it. What you see is what you get na lang. Ganun na lang siguro. Para mas safe.
So yung paniniwalaan namin, kung ano yung nakikita namin.
Hala!
Yung, parang ang haba ng hair ni Anne, inahapos sa laki.
What you see is what you get. Namumula talaga yung tenga ko. What you see is what you get na lang siguro. And, basta ako, I'm happy that Sam and I are okay now. And it's a fresh start. Who knows what will happen? Yun yung safe na sabihin. Who knows what will happen? Ang haba pa ng buhay, ang haba pa ng life. Who knows what will happen talaga? And we've both admitted to each other that we'll never close our doors pagdating sa
Actually, wala naman nga naniniwala na hindi na kayo. Di ba? Oh, may sumasagot, tama. Tanungin natin si Direk Gwen.
Okay, thank you, Janice. Pagbigyan naman natin ngayon ng mga nag-chat via interactive, and then we're down to our last 5 questions. Susunod na si Tony Coraza. Thank you kay Shawi of LA, si Zay, at si Steph wants to know. Sabi niya, Ate Ann, tinatawag mo bang TikTok si Kuya Sam?
TikTok. Nag-umpisa lang yung TikTok na yan sa maging sino ka man. Kasi, malapit kasi ako sa mga bading. Yun yung mga nakapaligid sa akin everyday. So yung tik-tak actually means magdaldap, tiktakan ng tiktakan. So yung naging code name ko sa kanya dati, sa kanila, ayan na si Tik-Tak. So, nadikit na. But now, syempre, hindi na yun yung tawag ko sa kanya. Kasi syempre, alam na niya yung code name ko, di ba? Tik-Tak.
Ano na daw ang tawag mo?
Ngayon bumalik na ako sa Samuel Lloyd.
Samuel Lloyd.
Samuel Lloyd. Or Samuel. Yeah.
Okay. Our next question will be coming from Tony Coraza.
To Anne and Sam, yes. Yeah, gusto lang namin malaman, when was the last time you said, "Babe, I love you" to each other?
The bus po. That's something.
With feelings siya na, hindi yan promo ha, yung sa tunay. Kanina
Ba't
lang.
naman walang feelings yan? Sino ba nagsasabi? Ha?
Hindi kasi babe tawagan namin.
Ah, okay. So, anong tawagan niyo? Sige na, anong tawagan?
Alam nyo? Ha?
O, anong fans? Anong tawagan nila?
Kasi kami ni Sam, mahilig kami sa codes. So, yung tawagan namin code yun eh. Pero nahulaan nila somehow. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Pati si Angelica, sino siya Ina, nahulaan din nila. Kasi patago eh, yung code name namin. So, yun. Pero yung to say that, to say I love you, matagal na. Matagal nang hindi pa. Kasi, di ba, ang haba ng proseso, ng ano, kaya, ayun.
So, hindi yun sa The Buzz.
Sabi mo with feelings.
With feelings. So, walang feelings.
Hindi pa, kasi
Hindi pa.
Talking about off-screen.
off-screen.
Yeah, matagal.
Ha? Medyo matagal na. Kasi
Medyo
syempre,
matagal na.
it's not something na hindi pa hinog na time siguro.
So,
Ano ba yan? Pinag-babasa.
mahirap sabihin yun. Mahirap sabihin, and mahirap sabihin, I love you.
Hindi kasi oo, tama, kuya. Hindi pa right time. Siguro, if the right time comes and if it happens, buong-buo ko sasabihin, di ba? Pero as of now, clean slate, fresh start, we'll see what happens, and day by day, no expectations. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari.
Kay Sam, is it easier for you to say I love you?
May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Same with Anne. I mean, if you know, when the right time comes, if it comes to that time, you know, we just like she said, we start on a clean slate. We're really enjoying how things are going. We're not the type na talk about, oh, let's, working, good on. Just enjoying what we have now, and good on. If the right time comes, if it, gets there, and then
I think
Yun
that
na po.
kami minsan nape-pressure ni Sam kasi kami, we don't talk about it.
yeah.
Tapos pagdating sa mga press or press con, pinapasabi sa amin na what will we say. Eh, kami nga hindi na namin pinag-uusapan kasi still awkward stage pa. Kaya nahihirapan din kami sumagot sa ganyan because it's something na when the right time comes, we'll do it privately. Diba?
On our own time, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Minsan nagpa-pressure yung mga press, yung mga fans na, ay! Ganun. Pero, yeah, we don't want to feel that pressures.
Mm-mm. So, the right time will come.
Okay, our next question from Tita Mercy Harde.